Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. And this channel we will discuss the formula of the shell method and also give an example how to calculate the rotational volume with the method of shell method. The shell method, if a curve under some region rotate about a y-axis from the region from A to B, this is lot C, A to B, then the volume is 2 pi x fx dx, okay, from the interval to A to B. Now I want to deduce this formula with some simple notation or in simple form. First, if this region rotate about the y-axis, then the volume should be like that. This is I copy from the lab one, and then if we carefully see that, we can think that this solid is one shell and one shell and one shell. Okay, for example, this is the first shell. If you think K.Liu's drawing is not bad, you can think this is the first shell. And then let me draw another shell. Draw one more shell. This is second shell. Okay. If we sum all the shell, then we finally get our volume of the rotational solid. Okay, then we carefully move one shell into the following figure. And this is the inner shell, inner part. This is outer, and I let this point should be xi for general xi, or you just call it xi. Then the outer part of x coordinates is xi plus h, and the corresponding height of the function is fx and fxi and fxi plus h. Then the volume of this shell, is equal to large cylinder minus small cylinder. Therefore, for a piece of shell, the outer 2 pi, it should be pi r square, pi r square. Then the r should be, outer part is x plus h, xi plus h square, then times the height, fxi plus h, minus the inner part, pi xi square fxi. Okay, and sum of all these shell take limit tend to infinity. Then it is our the volume of the rotational volume, and then multiply n tends to infinity summation I from 1 to n. Expand this one, and we have pi xi square fxi plus h 2 pi h xi fxi plus h plus pi h square fxi plus h minus pi xi square fxi. And grouping terms, okay, let me copy doing the copy and paste function. And this is the first part. This part can minus this part. This is second part. Yes, perfect. If h is very limit n tends to infinity, that means h tends to 0. And then h squared is very small. Then this term can be ignored. Ignore means this term is tend to 0. On the other hand, fx is continuous. Therefore, after factorize this term outside, then this minus this one should be 0. Therefore, these two terms also cancel. Therefore, finally, we only get this one. Limit n tends to infinity. Summation I from 1 to n 2 pi xi fxi plus h. I move this h out to the left to the most right hand side, and each term can corresponding to the notation of integration. H is represented as dx. This is fx x 2 pi. Summation means integration from the domain A to B. And this is our example here. Okay, fine. Hope that guys can enjoy this proof. in my opinion, I like this proof very much. Therefore, I do it many times. And okay, and also I feel very interested when every time I do doing this proof. Okay, this is a area which is rotate about y-axis, and then first I calculate this 2 point. This 2 point is solved by solving two simultaneous equations. I skip the step 1 line and line 1, and make that this is y1. y1 is equal to line over x. This y2 is 10 minus x. And actually the rotation can be think as 1 to 9. By using the shell method, calculate this one, the straight line, and minus the curve. Therefore, by the formula, volume should be equal to 2 pi from the domain 1 to 9. And first, the straight line is x. X is times y2 dx minus the curve 2 pi 1 to 9 x times y1 dx, and put all the stuff this into this function and this into this function. We finally get this one is x times 10 minus x dx minus 2 pi 1 to 9 x times 9 over x. Now this is simple job for us to do the remaining part. This is 2 pi 1 to 9 minus x squared plus 10x minus 9 dx, and the final result should be 512 pi over 3. Okay, cubic unit. Okay, this is the one of the application of shell method. Next time I will try to present an example which is DSC level, and this then by using the shell method. Actually, this method also is asking how to use shell method. Okay, see you next time, and hope guys can enjoy this video, and please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.